Hey everyone, I'm Dan Spada, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the best free homework and studying tool that every teacher should have their students using. The CK12 Foundation has a free digital tutor that every student can use. If you don't know about CK12, CK12 is a nonprofit that believes every child on the planet should have equal access to great education. And so what they've done is created this AI bot that can answer students' science and math questions. This digital tutor named Flexi is designed to help students go beyond just getting the answer. And one of the things that I love about Flexi is it is designed for anybody to use. So whether you have a computer, a Chromebook, a tablet, a cell phone, whatever device you're using, Flexi can work on. So I'm going to ask Flexi just an example question. I'm going to ask Flexi, how do I prove the exterior angle theorem? And what I love is Flexi not only gives me the answer, but there's an interactive component here where when I move my mouse over the different angles, it highlights it in the section below to really help me understand. I can also scroll down and there's more information. And as I mentioned earlier, Flexi not only answers math questions, but can answer science questions as well. So I could say something like, show me an image of an ecological pyramid. And when I click show more, it will show me that pyramid with a little bit of information underneath it. So not only is Flexi really great for helping students with their homework questions or their studying questions, but also for curiosity questions. So you might have a student that just wonders a lot of things, asks a lot of questions, and some of them might seem really out there, like, can I ice skate on the moon? And sure enough, Flexi has a detailed answer of why you would not be able to ice skate on the moon. And one of the things that's really amazing about Flexi is the CK12 Foundation has content specialists that are constantly going through these questions and providing answers. Now, I do just want to take a second and switch over to my phone because I know a lot of students use their phones when they're doing their homework. So this is what it looks like from a mobile device. And you'll see they can type in their questions using the keypad, or they can take a picture of a question, they can upload a question that they've saved onto their phone, or they can write it out using the whiteboard. So I'm just going to write out an equation and see what Flexi comes up with. So I'm just going to write out my equation here. 3x plus 5 equals 27. And you'll see at the bottom, Flexi has deciphered my messy handwriting and understands my question is 3x plus 5 equals 27. We'll press solve, and we'll see what Flexi comes up with here. And Flexi has solved x equals 4. And if I click on show solution steps, it will show me the steps that Flexi used to get that answer. So Flexi's not only just giving your student the answer, but Flexi's teaching the student how to get that answer on their own. And as I mentioned, Flexi also has a camera feature. So if I take a picture of my question, I can put this box around what I want to ask Flexi. So I'm going to ask Flexi, what is an orbit? And you'll see that Flexi's giving me the answer. An orbit is a circular or elliptical path around an object. One of the things that separates Flexi from some of the competing tools is that Flexi not only wants to give students the answer, but really wants to help them understand the learning behind that answer. So this is one of the examples. As I typed a question, Flexi gave me 3 different concept-related questions that I can play around with. And again, not only gives me the answer, but helps me to understand the learning behind that answer. So, this is just sort of one of those examples. And as I scroll through, Flexi's teaching me the different steps to get that answer. And this is invaluable for students because it really helps them get beyond just trying to find the answer and helps them learn the way a tutor would help in person. So these are just a few reasons why Flexi is my absolute favorite homework help tool and studying tool. As I mentioned earlier in the video, Flexi is 100% free, which really separates it from some of the competing tools, which are freemium, which means it gives students some of the stuff for free, but if you want the best content, you have to pay to unlock that. Flexi gives you the best content for free every single time, and I love that because I know CK12 developed Flexi with the idea that it could be a tutor for every student. And teachers can also use it in their classrooms to help students understand concepts. They can show those step-by-step things on the board. They can help students sort of learn independently by assigning Flexi and having Flexi available to their students, and then students can use it in the classroom at home. I just can't say enough great things about Flexi. So if you know of any teachers or students that could benefit from watching this video, please feel free to share this video with them. And if you haven't already, please make sure to give this video a big like. And if you haven't subscribed to the EdTech Show, please take a second, click on that subscribe button, and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time there's a new video. And if you haven't followed me on social media, please take a second and follow me on Twitter at Dan Spada, and on Facebook at facebook.com/The EdTech Show. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.